Let's see how to install OBS Studio on your MacBook. For now, I'm using MacBook Neo, but it's same process for all the Mac. First, turn on the Wi-Fi and directly open the browser. You just open the browser you usually use. I just open Safari and click the search and type OBS Studio. Search and open the first link, official link OBS project, and click Mac OS, and here it says Mac OS Intel or Mac OS Apple Silicon. In case if you don't know about your MacBook chip, you just click the Apple and click about this Mac. So here you can see my MacBook name, MacBook Neo, and chip Apple A18 Pro. So it's a clear sign they are using the Apple chip. In case if it shows Intel, you need to select Intel on the browser. So here you need to select Intel. In case if it shows Intel, for me it's Apple chip, so I just select Apple Silicon, and here you can see that. So it's automatically goes to the downloaded thing. I just click the download option. So here it shows the time period, 6 minutes. I already downloaded, right here you can see. So I just going to install this, double click that. You just hold and drag and drop it on the application. If you hear the sound, it's done. So I just close this everything. I don't need that anymore. Now click the apps and type OBS. So here also you can see, just open the app. First time only it will ask, just click open. Okay, you can control the hello. That's it. You are done. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.